Hello everyone and welcome to our channel.
And Happy New Year to each and every one of you. Today we're coming at you from our home in Phoenix, Arizona, where we've been reflecting upon all the amazing things we've had the privilege to experience in Las Vegas during 2024 and why you might just love them in 2025.
So in this video, we'll provide you with our favorite Las Vegas things from 2024, including hotels, attractions, restaurants, and more.
And be sure to stick around till the end of the video for a special sneak peek of things to come on the channel in 2025.
Don't go anywhere, we've got a lot to cover on today's episode of James and Paul Try It All.
Kicking off our list of favorite Las Vegas things in 2024, let's start with our favorite restaurants.
Located just a stone's throw away from the world-famous Las Vegas Strip, Hofbräuhaus Las Vegas is an authentic German beer hall where you can experience these stunning sights, energetic sounds, delicious food, and most importantly, the traditional brews of a classic Bavarian celebration of Oktoberfest without leaving the Nevada desert. In fact, Hofbräuhaus Las Vegas is the only exact replica in the world of the original Hofbrauhaus in Munich, Germany. From painted ceilings and long wooden tables to chestnut trees, this restaurant is as authentic as they come. Hofbräuhaus Las Vegas is the first German Bavarian beer hall and restaurant in Las Vegas, which creates a true Bavarian beer hall experience that is even more than a dining adventure. No ordinary restaurant, Hofbräuhaus Las Vegas is an energetic party daily with boisterous sing-alongs, dancing in the aisles and on the benches, and premium Hofbrau beer. From its hand-painted ceilings to its imported beer and delicious food, Bavarian hospitality abounds. Guests can savor schnitzel, sausage, sauerbraten, pretzels, and so much more. Be sure and check out our full review here on the channel. We'll put a link to the video in the description.
Located on the 63rd floor of the Mandalay Bay Resort and Casino, you'll find sumptuous fine dining with some exceptional views of the Las Vegas Strip at my pick for my favorite Las Vegas restaurant in 2024. The Foundation Room. This popular dining and nightlife destination is brought to Las Vegas by the same minds behind the House of Blues. The Foundation Room treats guests to a breathtaking view of the Las Vegas Strip. Whether you're looking for an intimate night with that special someone or an unforgettable experience in their vibrant lounge, there's a mood for all your personalities. Once settled in the Foundation Room, enjoy their selection of eclectic and seasonal menu items, including a pistachio-crusted lamb loin and their pan-seared diver scallops. Pair them with a harmonious wine or cocktail from their extensive beverage menu in the dining room, or cap off the night with a unique handcrafted libation from their rooftop bar after your meal to fully complete the experience. While we haven't released our full review on the Foundation Room as of yet, you can see an abbreviated version in our 1-year channel anniversary video at the link in the description.
Moving on down our list, it's time to talk about our favorite Las Vegas attractions in 2024. Starting with my favorite Las Vegas attraction that we experienced in 2024, I can honestly say that this is not something that we did just once, but instead experienced on every single trip we made during the year. And that is the Happy Half Hour on the High Roller Observation Wheel. A one-of-a-kind cocktail experience, Happy Half Hour cabins aboard the High Roller Observation Wheel include an unlimited open bar and bartender for one full 30-minute rotation of the wheel. Happy Half Hour cabins can accommodate up to 25 guests aged 21 and over. From the ground to the top of the tallest cabin, the High Roller Observation Wheel in Las Vegas tops out at 550 feet, making it the largest observation wheel in North America. It is 107 feet taller than the London Eye and 350 feet taller than the Centennial Ferris wheel in Chicago. At the time of this video, Happy Half Hour tickets start at $69 plus tax. While that may seem steep to some, we do want to stress the value that we find in this experience is found in the amount of drinks that we can consume in the 30 minutes, with James and I often enjoying an average of about 5 to 6 drinks each during our ride. We find this to be a unique, fun, and affordable way to get a good buzz going when compared to the average casino bar drink prices. If you'd like to see more, check out our full video at the link in the description.
There's absolutely no shortage of exciting attractions in Las Vegas, and my pick for my favorite attraction that we experienced is one of the newest additions to the Strip, the mind-blowing Arte Museum. A delightful mix of cutting-edge technology, awe-inspiring visuals, and stimulating sound, the Arte Museum transports you away from the overwhelming hustle and bustle of the Las Vegas Strip and into a zen-filled experience that you're sure to never forget. Arte Museum Las Vegas showcases a variety of works inspired by the theme of eternal nature. The exhibition incorporates both the natural landscapes and the cultural backdrop of the city. Visitors can also enjoy the Arte Tea Bar for a unique tea house experience enriched with media art. Each piece of artwork delivers not just a vivid visual journey, but also a multi-sensory engagement, from enveloping soundscapes to tailor-made aromas that amounts to a completely immersive experience. According to their website, the average viewing time is 60 to 90 minutes, but your mileage may vary depending on your attention span. In our case, Paul and I easily spent at least 2 hours enjoying the exhibits. Tickets to the Arte Museum begin at $65 for adults, with $10 off tickets for children 4 through 12, seniors, military members, and those with disabilities. Admission for children under 4 is free. A link to our full experience can be found in the description of this video. This seems like as good a time as any to take the obligatory ad break, so if you have YouTube Premium, we'll see you in just a second. And if you don't have YouTube Premium, please stick it out through the commercial, it really helps us out.
The hills are alive as we come back with more of our favorite things after these messages.
Oi, oi, oi!
We want to go ahead and give a huge congratulations to longtime viewers Aaron and Heather on their engagement. We also want to give a huge thanks for the recent super thanks to Ayatollah of Nafapola. Thank you so much.
Hey everyone, before we continue, please consider hitting that like button, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to ring the bell icon for notifications whenever a new episode of James' Hall Try It All is released. It really helps us out and helps our content be seen by more viewers just like you. Thanks so much in advance. We appreciate it.
Now let's keep this party going with our favorite spots for a cocktail.
If you're looking for a fun and unique way to beat the Las Vegas heat while enjoying a tasty adult beverage, then you've got to check out the -5 Ice Bar. -5 is the premium ice attraction in the United States with 3 different locations in Las Vegas. Everything inside the ice bar is made of ice. The walls, the seats, and even the glasses you enjoy your beverage in. Additionally, -5 is always creating new ice sculptures to continuously reinvent the experiences throughout the entire year. Once you choose your package, you're kitted out with gloves and a warm parka or faux fur coat, then transported into the winter wonderland of interactive ice architecture while sipping the coolest beverages from glasses made entirely of ice. An exciting LED light show and upbeat music play while you take in the pristine surroundings. While I was initially worried that I would end up being too cold, I'm happy to say that with the provided coat, I found myself quite comfortable. The temperature is controlled and designed to provide a refreshing experience as you explore the different ice sculptures and themed ice rooms with professional photographers on site capturing the memories. Admission to -5 begins at $24 for adults. Children ages 7 to 12 are welcome prior to 9 p.m. daily, with admission beginning at $13. We originally featured this experience in our Winter Picks Dinner video. If you'd like to see more, check out that video at the link in the description.
Tucked away on the lower level of the Horseshoe Las Vegas, visitors will find a rather strange and unusual cocktail lounge, the Cabinet of Curiosities. The Cabinet of Curiosities is a bespoke lounge and bar which has been designed to transport you through the door of imagination. Each cabinet is filled with oddities from around the world. You can see them all up close, and many of the curiosities have their own tales to tell. Their mixologists will guide you through this curio-filled adventure and bring the stories to life through amazing drinks that are perfect for any occasion, date nights, birthdays, and all the celebrations in between. Be prepared to explore a world where every corner is filled with something different and interesting. A place where the unusual meets the unexpected, and where tradition meets innovation. The Cabinet of Curiosities is open daily at 1 p.m. and closes at midnight Sunday through Thursday and 1 a.m. on Fridays and Saturdays. Don't miss their daily happy hour featuring $12 cocktails from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. and reverse happy hour from 10 p.m. to close. If you'd like to see a more in-depth review, be sure and check out our full video or our cocktail segment in our first Winter Picks Dinner video. Both links can be found in the description of this video.
Moving on, it's snack time. When it comes to Las Vegas snacks, fried seafood may not be the first thing that comes to your mind, but let me assure you, the fried clams basket at Fulton Fish Fry inside of New York's Village Street Eateries is definitely worth picking up. If you enjoy clams, that is. Your generous portion of fried clams will be served up hot and crispy with a cocktail and tartar sauce, alongside a hefty portion of French fries. At the time of this footage in 2024, the price for the fried clam basket was only $11.95, which we like to think is a pretty damn good deal. Due to Fulton Fish Fry being a counter service restaurant, you are free to take your clams with you as you continue your stroll down the Las Vegas Strip, or simply enjoy them at a table amongst New York's charming Greenwich Village-themed food court.
If you're a fan of warm, flaky pastries and unique creations, you've got to make a stop at Dominique Ansel, located inside of Caesar's Palace. James Beard award-winning pastry chef Dominique Ansel has continuously shaken up the pastry world with innovation and creativity at the heart of his work. Chef Dominique has been responsible for creating some of the most noteworthy pastries in the world, including the Cronut, named one of Time Magazine's 25 Best Inventions of 2013, the Cookie Shot, Frozen S'more, Blossoming Hot Chocolate, and many more. While I've yet to dislike anything I've purchased there, I've got to give my favorite Las Vegas snack honor to the Cronut. Part croissant and part donut, this flaky and buttery treat comes in rotating monthly flavors and is absolutely worth the price tag of $9.99 at the time of this video. This has become a must-get treat for me on every visit to Las Vegas, and I encourage you to snag one for yourself as soon as you can. And now we've come to our final category of the video, our favorite Las Vegas hotels.
With an amazing location in the middle of the Las Vegas Strip, affordable room rates, and an abundant amount of reasonably priced dining options only steps away from the casino, Planet Hollywood Las Vegas may be the best moderate-priced hotel for your next Las Vegas vacation. Planet Hollywood Resort and Casino rooms give off a contemporary feel with edgy artwork and modern furnishings. When you stay, the celebrity lifestyle is yours for the living. Enjoy contemporary elegance in the heart of the Las Vegas Strip for an affordable price. The ultra-hip rooms are a bright, bold addition to the Planet Hollywood portfolio, featuring luxury bedding, giant soaking tubs, and designer touches throughout, along with convenient extras like a mini refrigerator. When it's time to have a meal, you've got restaurants to fit every taste and budget, from a traditional Vegas steakhouse option at Strip House, the celebrity-owned Gordon Ramsay Burger, and upscale Mexican cuisine at Rosa Mexicano. Planet Hollywood offers an exciting array of restaurants in Las Vegas, each with its own unique atmosphere. Looking for breakfast on a budget? Why not stop in for a bite at Blondie's Sports Bar or La Salsa Cantina? If you haven't figured it out by now, you can find our full review on Planet Hollywood at the link in the description.
For our next favorite Las Vegas hotel, we've got to give it up to Mandalay Bay Resort and Casino. Mandalay Bay is an iconic luxury resort and casino that stands 43 stories tall and includes world-class entertainment, gaming, and lodging with a wide range of signature attractions. Here you can attend conventions and events, visit a living shark reef, catch world-class entertainment acts from music to acrobatics and comedians, eat at famed restaurants that range from luxury to casual, and get in all the gaming you can handle. Mandalay Bay has so many dining options, shopping, and entertainment attractions that it's easy to get lost here and enjoy an entire vacation without ever leaving the resort. Easily one of the most appealing aspects of Mandalay Bay for many guests is their expansive pool complex. Mandalay Bay Beach is an 11-acre aquatic playground that invites you to sun, swim, splash, and soak on your terms. Ride tides in the wave pool, flow with the lazy river, lounge in a lagoon, and catch some shade in a convenient cabana. And when you're ready for a refuel, grab a bite at the Beach Bar and Grill or an adult beverage at one of 3 bars. The rooms at Mandalay Bay are clean, bright, and well-themed, complete with large bathrooms featuring luxurious soaking tubs that we found utterly comfortable at a very reasonable price. Due to Mandalay Bay being located at the most southern point of the Las Vegas Strip, we found the resort to be much calmer and more relaxing compared to its neighbors to the north. Both Paul and I agree that when we consider each of the hotels we've stayed at in the past year, Mandalay Bay easily comes out on top as our favorite. Since we have not yet released a full Mandalay Bay episode, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel and turn on alerts so you don't miss it when it drops. As you can see, we had so much fun in Las Vegas in 2024, and we can't wait to experience everything to come in 2025. We've already got several trips on the books with stays at the Paris, Aria, the Cosmopolitan, Golden Nugget, the D, and Nobu, and we're thrilled to keep bringing you more Las Vegas content each and every week.
However, we still have a lot of unreleased videos that will be coming down the pipeline real soon. So we wanted to give you a sneak peek of what we can show in the first quarter of 2025. So now let's roll that beautiful bean footage.
All right, everyone, we really hope that you enjoyed that cute little sneak peek. And if you made it this far in the video, we want to thank you so much for sticking through. Your continued support means the world to us and helps us keep up this fun passion project of ours.
If you enjoyed today's video, be sure and take a moment to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and if you haven't already, don't forget to click the bell to be notified whenever a new episode of James and Paul Try It All is released.
New Vegas vlogs drop every Saturday at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, as well as our weekly Slot Play series, Slot Play Sunday, which also drops every Sunday at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time.
With that being said, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, have a great one.
Have a great one, guys. Thank you.
Wow, look at this view.
This is unbelievable.
That is insane, too, like just how tall this is.